Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're excited to explore the iPhone 17 Air, Apple's latest marvel that's turning heads and setting new standards in the smartphone world. Whether you're considering an upgrade or just curious about what's new, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off with what's fresh in the iPhone 17 Air. First up, the design. Apple has taken sleekness to a whole new level with a lighter, thinner body that feels incredible in your hand. The new color options are stunning, offering a fresh palette that's sure to catch your eye. But it's not just about looks. The durability has also been enhanced, making it more resilient to everyday wear and tear. Now, let's talk about the display. The iPhone 17 Air features a breathtaking Super Retina XD, a display that brings your content to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or scrolling through photos, everything looks absolutely stunning. Plus, with improved brightness levels, you can enjoy your screen even in bright sunlight. One of the standout features of the iPhone 17 Air is its camera system. Apple has introduced advanced computational photography capabilities, allowing you to capture stunning images with ease. The new night mode is a game changer, ensuring your low-light photos are clearer and more vibrant than ever. And let's not forget about the enhanced video recording features, which now include cinematic mode for those who want to add a professional touch to their videos. So, how do you make the most of your iPhone 17 Air? First, familiarize yourself with the new features in the camera app. Experiment with the different modes and settings to see what works best for your photography style. Don't hesitate to explore the new editing tools that allow you to enhance your photos right from your device. Another great tip is to take advantage of the improved battery life. With the iPhone 17 Air, you can enjoy all-day usage without constantly worrying about charging. Make sure to enable low power mode when you need to stretch that battery life even further, especially during those busy days. Lastly, don't forget to explore the latest iOS features that come with your new device. From customizable widgets to enhanced privacy settings, there's so much to discover that can elevate your user experience. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the iPhone 17 Air. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you're excited about the new features or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and updates.